The Indian Council of Medical Research has published guidelines on COVID-19 testing. It says that all asymptomatic direct and high-risk contacts of a confirmed coronavirus case should be tested once between day 5 and day 14 of coming in his or her contact. Besides that, all asymptomatic people who have undertaken international travel and all contacts of laboratory confirmed positive cases should stay in home quarantine for 14 days. Singer Kanika Kapoor, who has tested positive for the COVID-19, allegedly ignored home quarantine advice and has been accused of negligence in a first information report filed by Chief Medical Officer of Lucknow. The FIR says high viral load was detected on the singer when she arrived in Lucknow. Kanika Kapoor says she was unaware she was carrying the virus and also disputed her date of arrival to Lucknow. Kapoor returned from UK last week. After BJP MP Dushyant Singh attended a party with singer Kanika Kapoor, now whoever he has come in contact with over the last several days are going under self-quarantine. His meetings with MPs and even the President Ramnath Kovind have raised panic about possible trail of infection. Dushyant Singh and his mother Vasundhara Raje have already self-isolated as both were at the same party where Kanika Kapoor was present. Indian Railways has announced that it will stop its services across the country from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Sunday during the Janata curfew called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Local train services will be reduced to a minimum in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Secunderabad. The zonal railways have been asked to take a call on how many trains to run. Railway officials said the demand is relatively low on Sundays. As a social distancing measure amid the coronavirus pandemic, ride-hailing firm Ola has suspended shared rides in India. According to a statement made by the company, the Ola Share feature will be temporarily suspended until further notice. Air India is to mount a 787 Dreamliner to Rome today to evacuate students, other travellers or any Indians stranded in Italy. The flight will return to Delhi tomorrow morning. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus warned via a virtual news conference in Geneva that young people are not invincible or immune to the deadly COVID-19. Although older people have been the hardest hit by the disease, younger people were not spared. He said the virus could put even youth in hospital or even kill them. He urged young people to practice social distancing as their decision to stay home and not be a vehicle for the disease would mean the difference between life and death for others.